Finally, Apple released a new update for iOS 17.4. Yes guys, that is iOS 17.4.1. And along with that, Apple released iPadOS 17.4.1, Vision OS 1.1.1, also your iOS 16.7.7 and iPadOS 16.7.7. These all are released by Apple today. Also guys, talking about the update size, there has been a confusion with the update size here, because if you see, for me personally on my iPhone 12, the update size was 6.2 GB on my iPhone 12. Also my colleague, he received an update size of 300 MB on his iPhone. So why it is different and why it is happening? So if you see here, if you noticed here on my iPhone, the beta updates were enabled, right? So similarly, if you disabled or the users who had disabled beta updates on their iPhones, they received beta update with a lower size. Also, if you see here, the new build number is 21E236. Yeah, that is the new build number for iOS 17.4.1 update. And now talking about the changes here. So guys, I want to bring something to your notice, that is your system data. So before the update, my system data on my iPhone 12 was around 19 GB. But after the update, it reduced, okay, and came down to 12 GB on my iPhone. And now talking about what is exactly new in this update. So guys, to tell about new features, exactly there are no new features, because even if we see here the update note, it says that this update provide important bug fixes and security update and is recommended for all the users. But guys, here Apple didn't mention what are those actual bugs or fixes they have done with this new update. Also, if you see here the release note page, here it says that iOS 17.4.1 available for iPhone XS and later devices, also iPad Pro for iPadOS, right? But here also it says that details coming soon. So there is no exactly mentioned by Apple what are the bugs and fixes they fix in this new update. So here as the page says, details coming soon, what we can do, we can only wait here and see. Whenever they update a page with the details, that time we'll get a clear idea about the bugs or fixes they are done with the iOS 17.4.1 in your iPhone. Also guys, sometimes Apple cannot disclose everything regarding some issues or bugs. There might be some security breach with the software, okay, or a OS with the iPhones or devices here, and such thing cannot be disclosed in public by Apple, because there are many bad people. Once they come to know about a security breach or a bugs regarding your OS, they can easily make a use of it and they can harm a user or a customer's very bad way. So that's why sometimes Apple doesn't disclose the issues or bugs they are fixed, or why they released a particular update for a particular issue or bugs. Also guys, just to mention you, on my earlier iOS 17.4 on my iPhone, the Wi-Fi issue was occurring again and again. I came to know this, or I noticed this, when after iOS 17.4.1 was released, there were many people were telling or talking about the Wi-Fi issue on earlier version. So now let's see in iOS 17.4.1, these things like a Wi-Fi issue, your battery or your device performances, these things I will make a follow-up video on this and will update you in coming day. So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks, your iOS update and your iOS solution. Guys, until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.